Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Zodiac sign Scorpio. Scorpio is the 8th sign of the zodiac, and that shouldn't be taken lightly, nor should Scorpios. Those born under this sign are dead serious in their mission to learn about others. Scorpios concern themselves with beginnings and endings, and are unafraid of either. The curiosity of Scorpios is immeasurable, which may be why they are such adept investigators. These folks love to probe and know how to get to the bottom of things. The fact that they have a keen sense of intuition certainly helps. The scorpion symbolizes Scorpio, and that is no accident. Much like the scorpion would rather kill itself than be killed, those born under this sign are in ultimate control of their destiny. They have tremendous regenerative powers, much like the literal scorpion can lose its tail and promptly grow a new one. Fearless Scorpios rarely lose, they just keep on going, since they are stubborn and determined to succeed. These folks are intense, passionate and filled with desire. They're also complex and secretive, so don't expect to get much out of them, lest they become suspicious and exit stage left. Scorpio is ruled by Mars and Pluto. Mars was the god of war in ancient Roman mythology and is the first and most ancient ruler of Scorpio. When Pluto was discovered in the 20th century, it was also assigned to this sign. Pluto was known as the god of the underworld in ancient Roman times, so when coupled with Mars, expect some intense energy to head towards Scorpions here on Earth. This planetary combo makes for people who are motivated, penetrating and aware. Scorpions don't miss much. They are intuitive, probing and much focused on knowing who's who and what's what. Scorpios can lose their temper when someone gets in their way, so it's best to give them plenty of room. The element associated with Scorpio is water. Those born under this sign are as emotional as their waterborn brethren, it's just that they're not as likely to show it. That said, be aware that these folks are clever, perceptive and always in the mix. Beware the Scorpio who feels crossed. These folks can turn vindictive in no time. Their ability to see into things can sometimes be a curse for Scorpios. The Scorpio-born are powerful and passionate, qualities that serve them well, as long as they don't let them deteriorate into self-indulgence or compulsion. Scorpios love competition in both work and play, which is why they'll air it out in sports and games. Extreme sports are right up Scorpio's alley, as is most anything that will test their mettle. They've got to have an adversary, since it makes the game that much more fun. Their colors, red and serious black. When it comes to love though, Scorpios soften up a bit and are caring and devoted with their lovers, even if they do hold on a bit tight. Scorpios are also lusty in the extreme, how else, so they need to be mindful of their reproductive organs. The great strength of the Scorpio-born is in their determination, passion and motivation. Scorpios don't know the word quit, which is why they usually get the job done. A powerhouse like no other.